beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious cabbage salad that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to show you my ingredients. 1 tablespoon of black pepper, salt to taste, 1/4 of a cup of vinegar, 1/4 of a cup of extra olive oil. I have here cabbage, red and white, half an onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 tomato, 2 jalapenos, a bunch of cilantro, 1 can of chickpeas, 1 can of corn. This is everything you need to make this amazing and refreshing salad. Of course, I'm going to wake up my garlic cloves. I'm going to smash them to wake them up and get all those flavors going. I am going to dice the 2 garlic cloves very well. I want it to really incorporate into the vinaigrette. Let me tell you, I'm doing this first because I want the garlic to infuse the vinaigrette. Look at this. Take your time when you're dicing your garlic. You really want it nice and small. Once this is done, I am going to transfer it to a small bowl. Look at this. I love garlic. Garlic and onion, I love. And here I'm going to add it into this bowl. Of course, I'm going to add the salt to taste, the black pepper, the vinegar, and the olive oil. Look at this. Extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to mix it very well. It's going to get nice and thick. Look at this. Take your time because let me tell you, this vinaigrette comes out delicious. You're really going to enjoy this amazing cabbage salad. You know, you could enjoy it with a steak. You could enjoy it with grilled chicken, with shrimp, with fish. You decide. But let me show you how I'm going to make this amazing cabbage salad. I have the white cabbage here. I'm going to slice away nice and thin. Take your time when you're slicing your cabbage. You want really thin slices, just like this. I am sure you're going to love this salad. Once this is done, I'm going to cut through the center and then I'm ready to transfer it to a bowl. I'm going to continue with my red cabbage, doing the same thing. This is the part that takes longer, getting all your ingredients ready. And when I say ready, take your time slicing away, making sure that all the slices are nice and thin so that they really incorporate into each other. Well, I'm going to continue slicing away and I'll show you when I'm ready for the next step. Look at this. And the colors of this salad, just amazing. I have 2 jalapenos. They're nice and big, nice and fluffy. I'm going to remove the seeds, remove the vein. I don't want this cabbage salad to be spicy, but I really want to enjoy it. So I'm going to remove all the seeds. I'm going to remove the vein. And then I'm ready to just slice away and then cubing the jalapeno. Of course, if you want it spicy, you could replace the 2 jalapenos with serrano chilies. But let me tell you something. If you make it just the way I am going to make it and enjoy it with my beautiful family, I'm sure you're going to enjoy it too. Well, here I'm just going to slice away, cube it really nice and small, and then I'm going to transfer it to the same plate where I have the cabbage. It doesn't smell, the jalapenos don't smell spicy, and that's a good thing because we want all those flavors of the jalapeno, but we don't want a spicy cabbage salad. So here, this is ready. Let me transfer it and let me continue. I have the onion, Please do not omit the onion. The onion is going to give it such an earthy and delicious flavor. So here I'm just slicing away, and then I'm going to cube it nice and small. I want the onion to really incorporate and infuse the cabbage, because as you know, the cabbage doesn't have too many flavors, but we are adding all these amazing flavors. The coriander, the cilantro, it's a nice and refreshing flavor, and do not omit it. I know there's a lot of people that don't like cilantro, but I love cilantro. One tomato. The tomato, I am going to remove the seeds, because if you leave the seeds behind, the salad is going to get nice and wet. It's going to be really wet, and that's exactly how you don't want it. So I'm going to remove the seeds. Of course, I'm not going to throw them away. I am going to enjoy them with a sprinkle of salt and black pepper. But here, let me show you. I'm going to slice away, and then I'm going to cube my tomato. I can't wait to enjoy it. I can't wait to really see my family enjoy something healthy, delicious, and of course, with high protein, because it has the garbanzos, the chickpeas. Look at this. Oh my God. I can't wait to show you all those amazing colors. I have the chickpeas, 1 can, nice and rinsed. I have corn, 1 can. And look at all these amazing colors. Green, white, white. I have the tomato, the jalapenos, the coriander. Oh my gosh, look at this. Just amazing. And of course, the vinaigrette. This is what's going to really put everything together, make it fresh, crunchy, and delicious. And now I'm ready to pour in the corn, yellow. Look at this. I'm going to pour in the chickpeas. Do not omit the chickpeas. They are really high in protein. And now the amazing vinaigrette. Look at this. I can't wait to enjoy it. Let me tell you, you're going to love this amazing cabbage salad. And now the best part, incorporating everything. The aroma of the garlic, the aroma of the vinegar with the extra virgin olive oil. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, subscribe to my channel so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. I am completely done with this amazing cabbage salad with protein. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So fresh and so delicious. When you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. When you make this amazing cabbage salad, you are going to say, I can't control myself around this amazing cabbage salad. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. Bye-bye.